You've reached the Notion Haters hotline. We cannot take your call right now because we're busy doing what we do best. Having extremely negative opinions about an app we refuse to learn. Because Notion is just a fancy note-taking app. But don't worry, we'll call you back as soon as we finish filing our latest scale Notion facts and pulling free databases in our paper mapping system. Because databases are very hard. We spent all about 11 seconds trying to understand Notion, didn't master it, and said it was broken. But then again, we didn't truly test it because that would require time and effort. But don't worry, we spent a lot of time writing Reddit posts about our new and exciting habit trackers. And it's totally not a copy of all the other habit trackers out there. Trust me, bro. Mine is different. Honestly, though, I can't really say we spent all that much time on Reddit posts either, seeing how we can't even make it past 5 generic sentences written by AI. And of course, we tried Notion on mobile. And yet, our only solution we've tried so far is cramming 16 databases, each showing their 63 properties down the throat of one page. And then when we finally do have our page of databases, we realize, wow, we have to maintain it. Who would have thought? You know, we could have learned how to do automation to fill in all those tedious tasks, but once again, requires too much work. I'd rather just have a database full of checkboxes so I can say I drank my water today. You know, we hope that we could just open up this app and magically organize our lives, and I kind of resent that we can't. So thank you for calling the Notion Haters Hotline.
I'm going to assume I can put you as hot. Bye-bye now. What's up?